Good job, Bryce. Hang in there, bud. You can do it. You can do it, bud.
Keep it up. So this is the end of it, right?
The run is the last, yeah.
I can't figure that.
I hear it's the most painful, too.
Well, I can imagine it.
Oh, yeah, there's my boy. Running, running, running. He's pooped. He's pooped. He's got a ways to go, too. We're in Rhinelander right now. Oopsie. I did not mean to do that. Let's go back to record. Hey, bud.
Run with me in the horn.
Do what? Yeah.
Run with me in the horn.
Yeah, sure. I don't know if that'll work. I can't hardly walk and record. Look, it's ahead, emerging. He's wiped out. Big hills. He's a tired boy. Get that stud. Good job, Bryce. Finish it.